Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be using cabbage. I'm just getting straight to the point. We're going to use cabbage on the skin. Now cabbage tend to be overlooked. However, cabbage is loaded with vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. It also helps to brighten that skin and it helps to slow the aging process down. However, here it comes. Cabbage also have vitamin A, which is a natural anti-aging vitamins. This means the cabbage is going to have to firm the skin and it's also going to have to boost the collagen production in the skin. Now, I'm going to mix the cabbage with some other ingredients that are known to tighten and firm the skin. So guess what, guys? We're going to use this facial mask to tighten loose skin on the neck, the face, the forehead wrinkles, and also if you have wrinkled hands. So if you're interested, if you want to see how I take this unique ingredient to make a wonderful facial mask, continue watching the video. Now, to make our facial mask, we are going to be using a blender. Now take a look at the main ingredient, and this is cabbage. Now cabbage contains many vitamins and microelements such as potassium and sulfur. All these ingredients in the cabbage help to clean your face and nourish it. Cabbage help to hydrate your skin. It have antioxidant properties that help to reduce skin infection. Cabbage also contains sulfur. It prevents premature aging, and the vitamins in cabbage help to rejuvenate your skin and give it an even tone. So what we're going to be doing with the cabbage leaves, we are going to be blending. So make sure to wash your cabbage before. Now, after washing the cabbage, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to chop it for easier blending. So I'm just going to use my knife and chop it in small pieces. Now, once this is done, we are going to place the cabbage in the blender for blending. So just pack it in. And now we're going to put this aside and we're going to add a second ingredient to this. And take a look at our second ingredient. Here we have a fresh aloe vera, and we're going to take about 2 ounces of the fresh aloe vera, and this is good. And we're going to extract the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera helps to clear the skin of spots and blemishes, lighten the skin, and also hydrates the skin. So let's just remove the gel, and we're going to be blending the aloe vera gel along with the cabbage. Therefore, we are just going to cut this in small pieces also, and we are going to place it in the blender along with the cabbage. And now we are going to cover and we're going to blend. Do not add any water, just blend. Here it is. This is your blended cabbage and aloe vera gel. So we're just going to pour this out. And here it is. And now we're going to move on to the next ingredient. And this is oatmeal. Now take a look at it up close. And oatmeal is a natural cleanser. It helps to absorb the oil in the skin. Oatmeal also helps to tighten and firm the skin. Oatmeal will also help to clear the skin of dead skin cells. Now what I'm going to do with this oatmeal, I'm going to blend to a powder. So I'm going to blend about a 1/8 of a cup of the oatmeal. Cover. And here we have our blended oatmeal. Take a look at it up close. This is exactly how you want it to be. And moving on to the next ingredient. Now take a look at our next ingredient, and this is lemon. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C. It's a wonderful anti-aging ingredient to use on the skin. It also helps to brighten and lighten the skin. What we're going to be using today is a little bit of the lemon juice and a little bit of the lemon zest. So we are going to zest the lemon. Now I wash my lemon in vinegar to get rid of any form of a pesticide. Soak it in it for about an hour. Now here we have our lemon zest. Ignore the seeds, and we're gonna put this away and move on to our next ingredient. Now let's take a look at our next ingredient, and this is honey. Honey is a natural antioxidant that is great for slowing down the aging process. Honey helps to boost complexion. It is extremely moisturizing and smoothing, so it helps to create a glow. It is also a natural antibacterial ingredient. That means it is great to treat acne and pimples. So now let's recap our ingredient. We have some aloe vera and cabbage. We also have some blended oatmeal. We have some honey, and we also have some lemon and lemon zest. So to begin, I'm going to use about a 1/8 cup of our cabbage and aloe, which is about 30 ml. Pour that in. And next I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of honey. Pour that in. Make sure to get everything out. Scrape it out. Now before we add anything, we are going to blend the honey in the cabbage and the aloe vera mix. Completely mix the honey out. Blend well. And once the honey has dissolved, we are moving on to our lemon juice. And we're using about 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice. Let's squeeze. So just pour about 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice in the mixture, and that is 10 ml. Next we're moving on to our lemon zest, and we're going to use about 1/2 teaspoon, 2.5 ml of the lemon zest. Just pour that in, give and take. And we're going to mix this together. And once this is completely blended, we are moving on to our oatmeal. Now we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of the oatmeal to begin. And that's 10 ml. And we're going to blend this in. Remember, the oatmeal is very absorbent. And we definitely need a little more. So we're going to add 4 teaspoons, 20 ml of the oatmeal, and that should be enough. And just blend this in. Now you can choose to pour this back in the blender to make it be more creamier, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So just scoop it back in the blender. You can omit this stage, but I like it to be very, very creamy, okay? So we're just gonna cover and blend. Take a look at this. Here it is. This is your facial mask for sagging, loose skin, for tightening, firming, and also for brightening the skin. And now this is ready to use. So I'm going to go on the other side and show you how to use this on your skin for best result. So take a look at our cabbage mask after it has been put aside for a couple of hours. And I'm just going to stir it up. Now, to get the best result from this facial mask, you want to make sure to start with clean skin. Oh, it smells fresh, like that fresh cabbage smell. When you burst open a cabbage and you smell that cabbage, that's what they smell like. Okay, now to get the best result, you need to start with clean skin. So you're going to cleanse your face, and you're also, if you have not exfoliated your face for at least a week or 2, just exfoliate your skin. Pat dry the skin, and then you are ready for your facial mask. Now, I like to apply this facial mask. It's a little cold. Okay, so I like to apply it with a brush. Choose whatever method you prefer. Oh, should I? Let's see. All right, let me just apply it all over my face today. All right, so upward strokes. And remember, this is loaded with antioxidant, vitamin C for wrinkles and for brightening the skin, vitamin A for boosting the collagen production in the skin. This also have a bit of a zinc, a copper, really an amazing ingredient for your skin. All right, so just apply it all over. Don't forget the nose. And this is perfect to go as close as possible under your eyes. After applying this with your brush or whatever method you use, you are going to sit with this on the skin for at least 30 minutes. Now take a look, guys. I am back and it has been about 20 minutes. It's not yet 30 minutes, but I'm eager to show, and it's tightening on my skin right now, feeling and looking amazing. So what I'm going to do, you can see it's drying on the skin but not completely dry. I'm just going to take my hands, do the little thingy. Ooh, it's too dry for that, but oh, nice. Anyway, I'm gonna sit for another 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna rinse off and I will be back with the result. So time to get this mask off my face. Now honestly, I don't like to wash my face in the tub, so what I tend to do, I get in the shower and I take my little thingy like this and I just room temperature water, that is. Feels so good. And now I'm gonna finish what I'm doing in the shower, pat dry my skin, and apply my favorite moisturizer. Take a look. So there you have it, guys. This is a must try. Once you have the ingredient, go ahead and try it. Use it for a week and come back and leave a comment. It is really an amazing facial mask, and as I said, this ingredient is so overlooked. Look at the richness of it, the vitamin A, the vitamin C. Those antioxidants are two of the most important antioxidants when it comes onto your skin, so definitely give it a try. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.